In this video I am going to discuss how to install Chrome browser in Ubuntu. So now I am going to type the code. This is the code, sudo apt update, enter. So now I am going to give my password. So it's installing the packages. This complete. Then now I am going to write my second code, this install. So this installation also complete. Now I am going to write my third code. So I have to wait 2 minutes. Now I am going to pause the video. So now I have to wait only 31 seconds, 27 seconds. Wait, 86% already, 87% already completed. Okay, so now I am going to install downloaded packages using this dpkg. This is the code. Now I'm going to click enter. So the packages installing now. Okay, so if there is any missing dependencies, so I am going to also fix the broken. If you face any broken problem, so just write this code, then enter. Okay, so run the Chrome using this Google Chrome stable, using this Google Chrome stable. Okay. So I'm going to click Google Chrome stable. Okay, so what they say, okay, so Google Chrome installed. So that's it. See you in the next video.